This is the Amazon Fire TV Cube 4K. It is a Wi-Fi 6E compatible. It will let you stream all of these things. We're gonna unbox it in just a second here. But just a note, it does not include the HDMI cable, so make sure to get you an HDMI cable to go with that as well. But to unbox this thing, I think we just pull on this guy right here. Perfect. All right. So there it is. And here is your Fire Cube, nice and neatly wrapped. There's some other stuff in there we'll get to in a second. All right, so there it is. Here are the ports on the back. Probably got it upside down. You got HDMI in, HDMI out, so you can actually plug a receiver. Like if you have a cable box, satellite or whatever, you can plug that in here, or a DVD player or something else, and you want this to be connected to it, that would go in here. And then you have your HDMI out, and that would go to your TV. Let's see, IR extender, so that's infrared. They give you an infrared cable that plugs into there, and so you can kind of tuck this thing away or behind your TV, and then have this little infrared sensor connected to a cable that comes out in front of the TV, so that the remote can, you know, send signals properly to this thing if its line of sight is otherwise blocked. Power cord, network, and USB. So you can hardwire this with Ethernet if you want to a router or whatever modem, but you don't have to. It is Wi-Fi 6 capable, so as long as you got Wi-Fi and it reaches, then you're good. Not really sure what you would use the USB for. I guess you could hook up a keyboard or something, so, you know, wireless keyboard and mouse maybe for web browsing, but yeah. And then it's got Alexa. This little bar at the top lights up as it's doing things. And then it's got a button here where you can basically kill Alexa from being able to listen to you at all times. So when you hit that button, I think it kind of lights up red, and that means, you know, she won't hear anything when you say, Alexa, turn on the TV. Like, she won't respond. She's not listening for commands. So that's a privacy setting. But if you leave that not enabled, you know, then you can ask Alexa to do things and she'll be listening. She might be listening to everything. Who knows? You got volume, and then, I don't know, is that the power button? Probably. So yeah, that's it. Inside the box, you get a fresh remote, a couple of batteries to go with it. And then here we've got your power adapter. Cool. Amazon 2-prong power. You got a little quick start booklet in here. Bear with me while I do this with one hand, because the other one's holding the phone. Yep, a little quick start guide. Explains what to do. Don't really need it if you watch this video, just plug it in. And then, yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, this box is empty. So they used to include the infrared thing in past editions, and I'm guessing maybe they don't now, which is fine. I didn't find it that useful. Yeah, so infrared adapter not included. But that's it. That's your Fire Cube in a nutshell. I'm gonna set it up, and then I might show the end of that at the end of this video.